On this island there is two villages, which is on each village lives about 2,700 people, and we all together more than 5,000. My name is Abdallah Hassan Mohammed. I'm from Elephantine Island, on the river which is very close to Aswan, and it's Nubian people. All the people lives on this island, they are Nubian. It's one of the best places for being a child. I mean, having the Nile beside you, your family teaching you the first thing you have to learn is how to swim. Then, because there was no cars, there was no motorbikes on the islands, everybody knows each other on the island. So wherever you go, they know that you are the child of this person, or your brother is this, or your cousin is this. We have the Egyptian nationality, but we still have inside us the history, which is usually you hear it from your father or from your grandfather about old Nubia. Of course, we are part of Egypt, but we have a different cultural, we have a different customs, and all these things, the only things we are on the same religion, which is Islam. The city for us, it means Aswan, the other side, which is only 5 minutes. You just cross with a ferry, but you found yourself in another life. But when you cross to the island back, so it's completely quiet. There is no cars, there is no noise. It's only these 5 minutes between each other, between the island and the city.